Hello class. In this video, I will walk you over how to input the GDP shares from the USA into Power BI. So Power BI uses a lot of cool AI, and you can get some really good insights in a short amount of time, and we'll take a look. So the first thing you have to do is make your data into a table. So select the data, insert, create table, and notice we have headers here. We have the labels. So you want to make sure that my table has headers here. Click OK. Should be good. I will save this. And we're going to have to upload this to the Microsoft Office OneDrive provided by Bryant. So let's do it. Let's go to Office 365. Come to the top left here. For the apps, click OneDrive. Go to My Files. Add New. File Upload. Here we are, the answer sheet we just created. Nice. Now it's uploaded. Click the Apps tab again. Go to Explore All Apps. Come down here to All Apps. You'll see Power BI. And now we're in Power BI. This is the home page. We can create a new report. We're going to go down here to My Workspace. Create New and Semantic Model. That means we're going to upload a data set. We're going to use Excel. And if you wanted to upload it from your device, you just browse the device. But we already have it on our OneDrive, so we import from here. Now it's uploaded to Power BI. We can either manually create a report. You'd have to use almost like a pivot table function, or it can auto create a report for you. So we'll do the auto create. Label it Power BI, assignment 1. Here it is. So as you can see, we have right here consumption checked off. So we have sum of consumption by month. And we can also do the average. We can do many different things. All these options here. So we do the sum. And then if we were not interested in more in the month, now it just gives us consumption. Pretty cool. If we're interested in year, let's say we want other variables besides consumption. Well, here we get these nice AI summary with percentages, and it gives you really, really good insights here automatically. Very powerful. As we can see, this is very useful. Rather than just creating that one visual, we have a lot of insights now. This is the main benefit of creating your own data set with Excel, because we could just get those GDP shares and kind of create them through Fred if we log in and create our own account. But I like to create our own data set with Excel so we can put it in to Power BI and all these cool tools like this. So let's say we check off consumption. Now we get really, really, really cool information. So we get net exports. Wow, 47, 48, really exporting quite a bit. You can get good trends. And you can see, ooh, 04, 05, 06, about time of the Great Recession, massive negative number of net exports. We're importing a lot. These are insights you can get very quickly that you don't really get just looking at the raw data set. So explore Power BI. It is very, very powerful. You can do a lot of different things. If you submit any kind of Power BI visual with your assignment 1, you will receive bonus points. So I want you guys to get used to this, get comfortable with it. So this is how you'd save your dashboard right here. Then you can, of course, export it, put it into your report, individual data viz that you can look at. You can sort the axis. It's really customizable. And I think that's about it for creating an auto report. It's a little more difficult to save these visuals on an auto report, I will admit. In the next video, I will go over how to manually create a report, and it's a lot easier to save a visual and then put it back into a technical report such as assignment 1. So one way to kind of get around it right now would be to do a little screenshot of this. But as you get into higher levels of academia, and maybe you might publish papers, it's really not a good way of doing things because it will become blurry and a little bit fuzzy, and you want it to be very clear for your audience. So that's it for Power BI video number 1. I hope you have fun and explore around with this very cool, powerful tool for developing insights through large data.